So now I would like to make a few adjustments to the shape of this guy's head. But these tentacles that I just made are kind of in the way, so let's hide those, shall we? I'm going to tab into edit mode. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push 1 on my keypad to get into front view. I'm going to select X-ray mode. I'm going to tab into edit mode. And I'm going to push C to circle select. And I'm going to go ahead and just move around the tentacles and hit enter. I will push 6 on my keypad to rotate around a little bit and try to get this from a different angle. Or maybe I'll just get a top down view. And again, push circle select. All I'm trying to do is make sure I get most of these tentacles selected so that I don't accidentally make changes to that I don't want. I'll look at it from a different point of view, circle select again, and then just kind of make a loop around and make sure that I've got the thing selected I want. That done, I can push H, and that'll hide all of these items. And I can see that I've actually missed a little bit. I can go ahead and I can push C to circle select some more. And maybe I'll do the same thing to the tentacles on these side. Circle select, push 7 on my keyboard to get a top view, circle select some more. It doesn't have to be perfect. The whole point is to just make sure I get most of this out of the way so that I don't inadvertently make changes. And then I'll go ahead and push H. And then I'll be able to make change to this. Later on, after I've made these changes, if I want this geometry to all come back, I can simply push Alt, hold it down, and then H, and everything will reappear.